Hola clase. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new set of vocab. This vocab has to do with personal hygiene and words that we use, verbs that we use to get ready in the morning. So I'm going to go through each slide. I'm going to tell you how to pronounce the word in Spanish, but then I'm also going to tell you what the word means in English. Your assignment today is a chart. So the first column is the vocab word in Spanish. You're filling in the second column, where you will write the translation, the English translation of the word there. And then the third column, you will give me a small illustration of that item or action. So here we go. Okay, this first word is el jabón, which means soap. So again, it's el jabón, soap. The second word we have is el champú. Sounds like the word in English. It's the word for shampoo. So again, it's el champú. This is one of my least favorite words to pronounce in Spanish, but the word is la toalla, which is the word for towel. La toalla. This word kind of looks like the word in English. It is el desodorante, which is the word for deodorant. So again, it's el desodorante. Next one we have is el cepillo, which is the word for brush, like a hairbrush. El cepillo, brush, hairbrush. And the next one is la crema de afeitar, which means shaving cream. So again, it's la crema de afeitar. Next one is el pene, which is the word for comb. El pene is the word for comb, like the object comb. We just saw this first word not too long ago, but el cepillo de dientes. You know the word dientes means teeth, and we just said cepillo means brush, so el cepillo de dientes is a toothbrush. So again, el cepillo de dientes. The next word is la pasta de dientes. So again, we know the word dientes is teeth. Pasta does not mean pasta like you're thinking. It can mean paste. So again, the word for toothpaste is la pasta de dientes. And then we get into some verbs. So these verbs look a little bit different than what you're used to. It's actually what we're going to talk about next. But this verb, ducharse, means to shower oneself. So ducharse, to shower oneself. Bañarse. You can kind of see the word baño in there. We know that's the word for bathroom, but bañarse means to bathe oneself. So again, bañarse, to bathe oneself. The next one is afeitarse. We just saw la crema de afeitar, which is shaving cream. The verb is afeitarse, to shave oneself. Afeitarse. We've seen cepillo with the normal cepillo and cepillo de dientes. So cepillarse can mean to brush one's hair, if you want to talk about el pelo, or you could say, you could also use it when you're talking about brushing your teeth. So cepillarse with los dientes. So either one, as long as you're specific, but that one means to brush oneself. Lavarse, I thought this was a good picture since this is what they keep telling us to do, but lavarse means to wash oneself. So if you wanted to talk about washing your hands, it'd be lavarse las manos. But if you want to talk about washing your face, lavarse la cara. And so it just changes based on what you're talking about. So it's lavarse, to wash oneself. Maquillarse is the word to make oneself up. So in other words, to put on makeup. So maquillarse, to make oneself up. Peine, we just talked about, is the word for comb, but peinarse is the verb to comb one's hair, or to comb oneself. Vestirse, you see those letters in parentheses, we know it means it's a boot verb. Again, we'll talk more about that tomorrow, but vestirse means to dress oneself. And if you look at it, you might remember the word vestido was the word for dress in Spanish. So vestirse is to dress oneself. The next one is acostarse. Again, there are letters in parentheses signifying, hey, this is a boot verb, but that one means to go to sleep. acostarse. And the last one that we have today is levantarse, which means to get up. And if you think about it, if you've heard the word levitate before, the word levitate means to rise up, to bring something up. So levantarse is to get up. So again, levantarse. Again, for your assignment today, you're going to have 2 columns that you have to complete. The second column will be the translation. I hope you just filled that in as we were going through this. And then the last column will be your own little illustration of each word or phrase or verb. So once you're finished, please make sure that you submit that back to Google Classroom. Remember that you can practice saying these words as I go along with this video, because it is going to help you for some future assignments and then also for next year as well. I hope you guys have a great day.